Hey everyone, welcome back. Instagram has officially unveiled a new feature called Blend, aimed at making it easier for friends to connect and discover content together through DMs. Blend creates a shared Reels feed tailored to the combined interests of users and their friends. To get started, users can open a direct message with a friend or group, then tap the Blend icon and instantly create a shared space where everyone in the chat can participate. The content in a Blend feed is curated based on individual browsing habits and Reels shared with that DM thread. According to Instagram head Adam Mosseri, Blend is designed to help users express their tastes and spark new conversations by discovering Reels they all might enjoy. The feed updates daily with fresh recommendations to keep things pretty engaging. It's worth pointing out that each chat can have its own unique blend of experience, allowing users to enjoy fully personalized Reels feeds with different groups of friends. After limited testing that began in March, Instagram is now rolling out Blend to a broader audience worldwide. And that's a wrap on Instagram's latest edition Blend. Whether you're looking to discover Reels that match your vibe or just want a new way to connect with friends, this fully personalized shared feed could be a fun twist. So be sure to give it a try and see how your algorithm mixes with someone else. For more updates like this one, don't forget to follow us, and as always, thanks for tuning.